Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BRND. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Had a bunch of people alert me to this one yesterday, and shame on me for not taking advantage, and good for you for seeing the big volume come in, and congratulations, as today not only did the volume follow through, but more importantly the price action did. Just a gigantic move, and been getting all sorts of questions on stuff saying, hey, now will you do it? And certainly will. Here I am. So what I want to do is just update some things from a technical perspective. That way everybody knows, well, what's going on from the charting viewpoint. So let's first just start off with the key thing, and I kind of already touched on this, was we have the stair-step volume going on right now. That's what you want to see. Increasing volume is always a good thing, but more importantly, got to have corresponding price action. Nothing worse than seeing volume increase like this and then having the price either go sideways or worse yet down. Obviously with BRND this is not the case, so that's always a good sign to see the volume bullishly correlating with the price action. So let's first map out some supports here, and then we'll talk about some resistances. The resistance portion is pretty darn easy and straightforward. So today or is this still a resistance? Let's figure this out. So this high over here was at 0.015 and it closed at 0.01. So yes, this is just barely was a resistance going in today, but with the close it is now a level of support. I'll leave that line skinny green because while yes, technically it's a level of support, the price barely closed above it. So if the price were to fall below it, by no means should you panic, freak out, jump out of any windows or anything like that. The other level of support, and I'll call this more of a key level of support, so I'll make this line a little thicker, is going to be down here, and you can see that it was a previous area of resistance a couple times here, a couple times over here. We'll call this level up at 008. So 008 is a much more of an important level than this 0.015 up there. But at the end of the day, any way you slice it, the key level of support is this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. That is valued at 0028. Now, before you call me crazy saying, how can you say it would still be bullish if the price were to drop all the way down here? Now, if you're a day trader, you're looking at a different thing. But for the overall chart, even if the price were to drop down here before finding a low or a low and then heading back up, this set of lows would still be higher than this set. So then when we go to draw our uptrend line, we would still be able to connect those lows and draw an uptrend line. So it could still technically drop down there, and as long as it stays above there, the overall chart would still be bullish. But I totally understand you wouldn't want to see it. I'm just saying from the overall chart perspective, the longer this stays above the purple line, it'll start to upslope, and then that's where the overall trend will start to shift towards the bulls. Now, in terms of resistance levels, like I said, pretty darn easy. As far as I'm concerned, basically in a blue sky breakout, just because the next level of resistance is not until up here at basically a little under 3 cents. So while technically I guess it's not in a blue sky breakout, if anything, we'll just call it a mini blue sky breakout because lots of territory here for the price to be able to run. So like I said, for argument's sake, I just call it a blue sky breakout or a mini blue sky breakout. Point being, next level of resistance is not until up here at 0.0285. Then after that, it's basically another blue sky breakout, as the next one isn't until 0.04. So great looking chart is what I'm trying to get at here. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll be sent an ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this is BRND. Thanks for listening.